Time for some Wednesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to start in Nevada with Bristol Jade Hensley, celebrating birthday number 7. Says here she is such a sweet girl with love from all of her family.
And you got Montana O. Mart celebrating 18 years in Columbus, Kansas.
And we've got Cleet Keller also celebrating birthday number 18 over in McCune. Happy birthday, Cleet.
Joshua Daniels celebrating 33 years.
And Samantha Bowyer, we had you in our list yesterday, and unfortunately, you know how technology is. Your picture didn't show up, so you get to celebrate your birthday twice this week as you turned 34 yesterday in Walnut, and you're pictured there with her youngest son, Weston. A very happy belated double birthday to you, Samantha.
And Andy and Cal Sofer is turning 50 in Humbert, Kansas. They're actually twins.
And Rob Monty also celebrating birthday number 50 over in Parsons. Happy birthday, Rob.
Robin Baker is turning 50 in Parsons, Kansas.
And we've got Kevin and Mindy Schupbach celebrating their 15th anniversary in Farlington. Happy anniversary to the Schupbachs.
And Jim and Judy Burns is celebrating 32 years together in Erie, Kansas.
And over in Columbus, Tim and Jeanette Crane celebrating 41 years of wedded bliss. A very happy anniversary to the Cranes.
And our very own KOM Digital Marketing Manager, Lance Benning, is celebrating as well.
Lance has started from behind the scenes and worked his way on up, and he is fantastic to work with. And if you catch any of the KOM podcasts, they are Lance's brainchild, so make sure you tune in for those, as he is also the host of the KOM podcast series. Well, a very happy anniversary and birthday to all of you on our list, and we want to continue celebrating with you, but the only way we can do that is if you send us your information. Amber, where do they need to send it to?
You can just send an email to birthdays, that's plural, at komnewsnow.com with a photo, please.
Absolutely. We love seeing those photos. And of course, when you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOM. So head over to the komnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.